In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy instance component in Framer. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're copying. In Framer, a component is a reusable design element, and an instance is a placed copy of that component on your canvas. Instances inherit the main component's design, but can have their own overrides, like different text or images. Copying an instance is useful when you want to reuse those overrides consistently across your project without rebuilding them each time. First, open the Layers panel. This is usually found in the left sidebar of the Framer interface. If your canvas is taking up the full screen and you don't see it, expand the sidebar so the layers list is visible. The Layers panel gives you a clean, hierarchical view of everything in your current page or frame, making it easier to precisely select the element you want. Next, select the component instance you want to keep. You can click it directly on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel for more accuracy, especially if elements overlap. Make sure you're selecting the instance and not the main component definition. A quick way to confirm is to look at the name in the Layers list or the right side Properties panel. Instances usually display their component name and any applied overrides. If your instance is nested inside other frames, expand the parent layers until you find it. Now, right-click on the selected instance. This opens a context menu tailored to the element you've highlighted. If your device doesn't support a traditional right-click, use a two-finger click on a trackpad or access similar options from the Edit menu in the top bar. The goal here is simply to bring up the menu that contains the copy command. Finally, click Copy. The instance is now on your clipboard, complete with any overrides you've set. That means when you use the standard paste command later, you'll get an identical instance that retains your customized content and styling. This approach helps you scale your design while keeping your component architecture intact, avoiding the need to detach or rebuild variations. A few quick tips as you work. If speed matters, the usual keyboard shortcut for copy works just as well after you've selected the instance. If the copy option seems unavailable, double check that the layer is not locked and that the instance itself, not a child element inside it, is selected. And if you're managing many similar elements, consider naming your instances clearly so you can find and copy them faster. That's all there is to it. You've successfully copied an instance component in Framer, preserving consistency and saving time.